Want to move your Roth IRA to Fidelity without tax implications? This video provides a step-by-step guide to ensure a seamless, tax-free transfer. Roth IRA transfers are generally tax-free because contributions are made with after-tax dollars, and qualified withdrawals are also tax-free. Learn how to do it right. There are two main methods for transferring your Roth IRA: direct and indirect transfers. A direct transfer, also called trustee to trustee, is where your current custodian sends the funds directly to Fidelity without you touching the money. This method avoids any potential tax issues, withholding, or penalties, making it the highly recommended approach for Roth IRAs. In contrast, an indirect transfer involves receiving the funds first, usually as a check, before depositing them into your Fidelity account. This method is riskier because it triggers the 60-day rollover rule, where you must complete the transfer within 60 days or face taxes and penalties. For Roth IRAs, indirect transfers can also lead to mandatory tax withholding. To illustrate the risks of indirect transfers, note the 60-day rollover rule requires strict adherence to avoid IRS penalties. Always choose direct transfers for your Roth IRA to maintain the tax-free benefits. The key takeaway is to stick to direct transfers for Roth IRAs to ensure a smooth, tax-free process. If you don't already have a Roth IRA at Fidelity, your first step is to open one. This account will serve as the destination for your transferred funds. You can open a Roth IRA easily online through Fidelity's website or by downloading their mobile app. Both methods provide a straightforward process to get started. Before opening, verify you meet the eligibility requirements for Roth IRA contributions, which are based on your modified adjusted gross income. However, transferring existing funds has no income limits. Once opened, this Roth IRA account at Fidelity will be ready to receive your transferred assets, maintaining their tax-advantaged status. Now, contact your current Roth IRA custodian, such as Vanguard or Schwab, to begin the transfer process. Reach out to your current custodian, such as Vanguard or Schwab, where your Roth IRA is held. Inform them that you want to initiate a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer to Fidelity. This method ensures the transfer remains tax-free. Your current custodian will likely have a specific form for you to complete, such as an IRA asset transfer kit. On the form, provide Fidelity's routing details and your new Fidelity account number to complete the request. Once you have a Fidelity Roth IRA account, start the transfer process by logging into your Fidelity account online. From your dashboard, navigate to the Transfer and Rollover section in your account menu. In the Transfer and Rollover section, initiate the transfer process and enter the necessary information about your existing Roth IRA account at the other institution. Fidelity's online tools will guide you through the required steps, making the process straightforward and secure. Step 4 focuses on completing and submitting the necessary documentation for your Roth IRA transfer. Both Fidelity and your current custodian will require you to complete and sign specific forms to initiate the transfer. Fidelity often allows electronic signatures for added convenience, streamlining the process. Ensure all information on the forms is accurate to prevent delays in processing your transfer. Fidelity may also require you to verify your tax ID as part of their compliance procedures. Here's an example of the transfer form you'll need to complete. Fidelity accepts various signature types, including electronic signatures for ease. You may need to submit a W-9 form to verify your tax identification number. Now that you've initiated the transfer, it's time to monitor the progress and wait for confirmation. When transferring your Roth IRA to Fidelity, there are several important considerations and potential issues to keep in mind to ensure a smooth process. First, Fidelity doesn't charge any fees for incoming Roth IRA transfers, making it an attractive option. However, your current custodian might charge a fee, typically between $25 and $100, so check with them beforehand. Second, always confirm that all your investments are transferable. While most stocks and bonds qualify, some assets like certain annuities might not be eligible for direct transfer to Fidelity. Third, always double-check all forms and account numbers before submitting. Errors in documentation can lead to transfer delays or even potential tax complications from the IRS. Finally, Using direct trustee-to-trustee transfers drastically reduces potential issues and ensures your Roth IRA maintains its tax-free status. This method avoids the risks associated with indirect transfers.